viewers, welcome and welcome back to your channel, Wicked Foods, a channel of easy recipes, modern recipes, African traditional recipes, or African village life, breakfast tips and ideas, travel and events. If you are new in this channel, kindly watch my videos. If you love them, give them a like. Make sure you share with your friends on other platforms, and also turn on that notification bell so that whenever I post in a video, you will be among the first people to see my videos. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I don't take it for granted. Continue supporting this channel. So guys, back with this recipe today, I'm going to do a dessert. Someone just requested for another type apart from fruit dessert that I've done in this channel. They wanted a different dessert. So I'm going to do two desserts, but today I'm going to do one. That's the chocolate banana dessert. And then in my next video, I'll do another one. So kindly watch this video and make sure you try them on. So guys, these are the ingredients that I have that I'm going to use for this chocolate dessert. So I have 3 bananas there. I have 1 egg. I have sugar. I have chocolate powder. I have some butter here, melted butter. I have milk. I have all-purpose flour. I have vanilla here. I have baking powder. And I have some salt to taste. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to use to make my dessert. Now guys, bananas you can use 2, depending on the size of the pan that you're going to use. That's why I have extra 1, 3. In case I have an extra space, I might use the third one. Otherwise, this is all that I am going to use for this. My 3 bananas. I will cut the edges. So guys, you peel your bananas this way. So let's go. I will heat my pan over low heat. Then I will add some little. If you have butter, you can use butter. If you have melted butter like mine, you can use that. Make sure it's then 2 tablespoons of sugar. Give it a stir. Make sure you put this sugar until it gets golden brown, until it dissolves. So guys, you have to keep stirring until you see your sugar turns into brown at a low heat. Now, at this point now, I'm going to place my bananas. Use 3 bananas or 2. So leave here. I'll start with this one. So I'm going to do my mixing. 3 cups of sugar. I'll crack my egg. Make sure you whisk your egg until the sugar dissolves completely. I'll put it aside on another bowl. I will strain 1 cup of flour. Make sure you sieve. Next, I have my powder here. Make sure you sieve your cocoa powder, chocolate powder. Then add a tablespoon of vanilla essence. Then butter or cooking oil, a cup. Mix everything together now. Then, when you're adding milk, you add spontaneously. So guys, we are going to mix the mixer of egg. So guys, my hand mixer has just let me down, but the mixer is just okay. This is the right consistency, so let's get to the cooking. Guys, with my mix, now I'm going to add everything here. Make sure you level. Will cover. Okay, 5 minutes to go. Let me just check. See the progress. Stay tuned, just to confirm it's well cooked from inside. It's all. I'm going to turn it. Guys, look at my. Just have a look at my cake. Oh, spongy cake. So guys, just have a look at this. This is my banana chocolate cake. Hey, look at my spongy. Yeah. Chocolate cake dessert. Oh, so spongy, guys. Look at this. Ooh. So guys, take up this. Wow. Let's meet in another video, guys. Try it out.